morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Now I am going to teach English literature, revision, chapter 3 and 4, poem 2. Now I am going to teach English literature, revision, chapter 3 and 4, poem 2. Okay, chapter 3, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where does Rosebud live? Answer is Rosebud lived in a little dark house under the ground. Then question number 2. Which type of sound she heard from the window? Answer is she heard a little rustling and whispering sound from the window. Then question number 3. Who took Rosebud to the top of the ground? Answer is the rain and the sunshine took her to the top of the ground. Then question number 4. Who wanted to stay in her house? Answer is Rosebud wanted to stay in her house. It is a question and answer chapter 3. Those who are not right, please write now also. Those who are not completed. Okay, this is the chapter 3. Answer the following questions. Okay. Take page number 29. Page number 29, book exercise, page number 29. Very important exercise only I am going to teach. Okay. Your exam is coming, that's why I am taking revision. Then very important exercise only I am taking. Okay, listen all of you. Page number 29. Fill in the blanks with the words which begin with GL. Fill in the blanks with the words which begin with GL. See A. He is wearing gloves on his hands. B. A globe is a small model of the earth. C. Gia drinks a glass of water early in the morning. D. They felt glad to meet their auntie. E. Glue sticks things together. F. I feel glad when I see a rainbow in the sky. G. A river Ganga starts from the Gangotri glacier. It is the answer. Understand all of you? Okay, let's move next exercise. Then page number 31. Take page number 31. Use apostrophe in change the underlined words and fill in the blanks. Use apostrophes in change the underlined words and fill in the blanks. First one, A. The feathers of the peacock are beautiful. Answer is the peacock's feathers are beautiful. Peacock, then put apostrophe yes. Okay, the peacock's feathers are beautiful. Then B. The baby pulled string of the toy. Answer is the baby pulled the toy string. Then C. The bags of the pupils are in the room. Answer is the pupils' bag are in the room. Apostrophe yes, people, then apostrophe yes. Okay. Then D. The dresses of the dancers are very colorful. Answer is the dancers' dresses are very colorful. Dancer, then apostrophe yes, then dresses are very colorful. Okay. See, take page number 32. 3. Circle the correct words in the brackets. Listen all of you, study well this exercise also. Circle the correct words in the bracket. A. Bracket it is whom and who. The answer is who. Who is opening the window? Julie is opening the window. Question. Bracket whom and who. Answer is who. Circle who. Then B. Bracket how many and whose. Orange do we have? Answer is how many orange do we have? Answer is how many. Then we have 4 oranges. Then C. Bracket it is where and why. Answer is why are they going to the railway station? Answer is why. You should circle why. They are going to the railway station in board to board a train. Okay. Then D. Bracket it is when and where. Answer is when will she go for her dance class? Answer is when. Circle when. She will go for her dance class on Tuesday. Answer is when. Then E. Bracket it is which and what. Answer is what will you give to your parents on their anniversary. Answer is what. I will gift them a book. Understand all of you? Circle what. I repeat the same exercise and circle who. Answer is who, how many, why, when, what. Okay? Okay, then poem 2 rainbow. Poem 2 rainbow. See, answer the following questions. You should study the question answers very well. Okay, answer the following questions. Question number 1. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Name them. Answer is there are 7 colors in the rainbow. Question number 2. When does the rainbow appear in the sky? Answer is the rainbow appear in the sky after the rain goes. The rainbow appear in the sky after the rain goes. Question number 3. How does the speaker feel while looking at the rainbow? Answer is the speaker feels joy while looking at the rainbow. The speaker feels joy while looking at the rainbow. Question number 4. Does the speaker like looking at the rainbow? Answer is yes, the speaker like looking at the rainbow. Okay? Then opposite words. Study well the opposite words. Then see opposite. Ugly, beautiful, hate, love, empty, full, dislike, like, humble, proud, low, high. It is the opposite. All of you study well the opposite words. Okay. Then chapter 4 is the tidy toys. Chapter 4 is the tidy toys. See, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did not Parul clean up her room before going to bed? Answer is because she felt tired. Then question number 2. What happened when Parul picked up the doll after coming back from the school? Answer is when Parul picked up the doll, it jumped and said, I don't want to play with you. Okay, understand all of you? When Parul picked up the doll, it jumped and said, I don't want to play with you. Question number 3. Why did not Parul's toys want to play with her? Answer is because she left them so far away from their proper and most comfortable place. Then question number 4. What did Parul realize after the toys spoke to her? Answer is she had treated her toys very badly. Then question number 5. What change did Parul's parents see in her? Answer is Parul started keeping her toys nicely in their special places before she went to bed. That changes Parul's parents saw in her. Okay, this is the question answer for chapter 4 tidy toys. Those are not right, please write down now also. Then let's move the book exercise. See, take page number 40, chapter 4 tidy toys book exercise. Important exercise only I am teaching. Okay, listen. Match the words with their synonymous. Match the words with their synonymous. First one, happy, glad. First one, happy, glad. Second, brief. Second is short. Then cry, weep, leap, see, jump, gloom, solemn. Then rich, see, rich, wealthy. Okay, it is a synonymous words. Shall I repeat once again? Listen. Happy, glad. Brief, short. Cry, weep. Leap, jump. Cloak, solemn. Rich, short. This is a okay, sorry, rich, wealthy, not short. Sorry, rich, wealthy. Okay, it is a synonymous words. Okay, then listen. Match the column, match the words in column A and column B. Column A, sea, food, seafood. Someone, someone. Highway, highway. Waterfall, waterfall. Lamp shade, lamp shade. Match the words in column A and column B. See, see, देखो, listen. See, seafood. Someone, highway, waterfall, lamp shade. Okay, this is the exercise for the chapter 4. Okay, all of you study well what I taught today, chapter 3 and 4, poem 2. Revision also is over. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.